In this problem, we're going to determine the interval of convergence for this function. Now, remember, this is a function whose rule is an infinite series. If it converges, then whatever it converges to is the output value. But if it diverges, then it doesn't make sense to say, to put that whatever number makes it diverge into it. And so we want to find the interval that makes sense to put numbers into this function. The interval of convergence you can just think of as the domain. It's the same thing. It's the domain of this function. All of the inputs that make sense to go into this function. So our rule for the function is an infinite series. Notice that it is a geometric series. And in this case, r is x minus 4 over 10. We know that geometric series converge when r is between -1 and 1. So that means that this thing converges when x minus 4 over 10, otherwise known as r, is between -1 and 1, not including -1, not including 1. Multiplying both sides by 10, we get -10 is less than x minus 4 is less than 10. Adding 4 to both sides, we see that this thing converges. So the interval of convergence is equal, let's see, -10 plus 4, that would be -6. And 10 plus 4 is 14. So that means that if you put any number between -6 and 14, not including -6, not including 14, then you get some number that is meaningful out of this function. If you plug -10 into this function, you won't get anything meaningful. You'll just, the function diverges.